Welcome to Monaco's Builder in a Bottle training.
Builder in a Bottle, or BIAB, is a strong and flexible soft gel nail product that can be used for overlays on the natural nail or to sculpt extensions.
It adds plenty of strength to the natural nail while still feeling lightweight and natural, making it very popular with clients. For us techs, it's convenient to use and a pleasure to maintain as it can be soaked off or backfilled.
This module will educate you about what BIAB is, how to choose the right BIAB for you, how to apply and rebalance overlays and extensions, safe removal, and how to introduce BIAB services to your salon and to your clients. This module will teach you the ins and outs of this extremely versatile product and will include a troubleshooting section to help you with common problems you might face.
We won't be covering hygiene, safety, or client consultations. This is all covered in the theory of nails. If you're doing the foundation certificate in nail technology with us, you've probably already done theory, and if you're upskilling in BIAB with us but qualified elsewhere, you should have hopefully covered it in your original training. For that reason, in this course, we're going to just focus on the Builder in a Bottle products and services.
With that out of the way, let's get started.